Okay, so in order to do this we need a suction cup or something similar. Okay, so we take our suction cup and we place it right here, this side of the laptop. All right, so one hand would lift it and then we try to go further down. I mean, slide along the edge and until it pops. There you go. Now we unlocked this side. We do the same thing on the other side. So we go in. This is needed only to lift up the cover. So, and pops. Okay. Now we have unlocked the two sides, and this now needs to slide backwards, so towards me. But in order to do that, I need to turn this around, just like so, right? And then this is where it gets tricky. Okay, I lift it up like so, and then pull it with this hand. Pull it that side. Okay, that side. So let's try. There you go. Okay, so it's now loose. Now to put it back on, what we do is we just align it properly and very close to the edge there. Okay, we press here while we push it towards the back there. And there you go. That's it. That's one, and that's two. Press and push. Press and push. Once they are aligned, once they are in place, we just press on the clips here. Now, done. There you go. And we are ready to put the screws on, and we're done. Right, folks. I hope this video was helpful to you. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos and from more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.